Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So, for starters, I hear that you all have gotten a bit of snow. That's actually exciting. Here in Portland, we basically just get rain. So, I hope you're enjoying the snow. I don't believe that the school has canceled classes, but most things are online, so that doesn't really matter right now. Okay, so I just want to take a few minutes to go over this week's assignments and then talk a bit about last week, which last week was just the introductions. I have a few that I need to respond to. I think I've called up since Saturday. But I also want to say that this was not required. However, if you did do it, I do go on and give extra credit. So if you did do those introductions, you will be getting a point on your final grade. So thank you for doing that. In terms of the reading questions, which are not due until the following week, I'd said in the introduction video to that I would announce whether the A through I and the J through Z would stand. And the way people have added and dropped, it's actually a clear-cut 1919, so that works out great. Next, just to go over the assignment for this week. So if you go, the critical thinking assignment number 1 is due. I'm going to let you read through the instructions. I think I've done a good job of really ironing out what you need. All the links should be working. I always check for those. The one thing I did want to punctuate here is, you have 3 questions. And you need to watch a documentary. It would be tempting to go watch the documentary and then think about the questions. But the way this assignment works well is if you sit down and think about the answers to 1 and 2 first, and then watch the documentary and then say what you learned from the documentary. If you do all of them together, you're not going to get the intent of this assignment, which is to really think about what you know and what you want to know about 9/11 prior to watching the documentary. Because if you watch the documentary before answering those questions, the documentary is going to inform how you answer 1 and 2. And the goal here is to really think about what you think you know, or what you do know, or what happened, or where you were, all of those things. So, and then again, the documentary, and then on the actual form, the Google form that you need to fill out, I always ask, I'm constantly updating. I think this is the 2nd documentary, though, that I've used. There's another, I do not offer extra credit a lot. This is actually the 2nd time, and I believe the only other time in this course that you get extra credit. But I do like to set a positive tone for the course, and even though there is a lot of work due in this course and I have high expectations, I also want to help facilitate or alleviate any stress that I can at the onset. So please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I am more than available to answer these or set up a time to talk. Again, you will do as well as you want to do in this class, but you will need to put forth some effort. And please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Okie doke, bye-bye.